So today we are making t-shirt scarves. So the first thing that we did was we cut the seam off of the bottom of the shirt. So now what we have is a strip of cloth that's going to be the same material on both sides, and we're going to cut it into one long strip. So I've trimmed a hole or a line into the scarf here. It's about an inch thick, and I'm just going to start cutting and making it into one long strip. So cutting slightly on the diagonal so that we can get it one continuous line. So, as you can see, now we have one long strand that's going to be really great for a lot of different purposes. And this was taken from really just the bottom quarter of a t-shirt. So, as you can see, one t-shirt really goes a long way. You can also cut strips into circles by just cutting a strip off of the bottom of the shirt. And these are great because you can stretch them out and you get long, skinny pieces that you can wear as a scarf. All put together, it's going to look pretty nice. So once you have your strips, you can put them together. And here you can have a longer scarf. Obviously you can have more strands as well. This is just an example, but you can also double it over and have a really great short scarf that goes great with lots of outfits. So you can mix and match all the colors you end up with together. So here we have a white, blue, and green, which we think looks really great. And here we have all of our strands. You can wear it really long like this, or you could tie a little knot just like this. And then you can get some different lengths and a cute little accessory on it.
Yay.
Alright, now we are going to learn how to make thread so that we can put buttons on our scarves. So as you can see here, we've used t-shirt thread to sew the button onto the scarf. So to make the thread, just take any old scrap of t-shirt. This time I'm using white because I think it goes well with my scarf. And cut a very thin piece of t-shirt from it, so probably about 1/4 of an inch thick. Okay, so here we have a tiny strip of t-shirt, and we're just going to carefully stretch it out. You don't want to pull too hard because when the t-shirt's this thin it might break, but we're going to wrap it around a bunch of times so it's going to be very sturdy on our scarf. Alright, so I'm going to cut this piece in half so I can use it for both ends. And just kind of twist the end so you get a good point. You can even trim the end off to get any frayed edges. Thread through the opposite holes of the button, like so. Alright, so now your button should look like this with the two ends of the thread hanging down and have a line looking thing on the button. So now we can begin to tie it onto our scarf. I'm wrapping it around once to add sturdiness to the thread. And then on the underside of the scarf, this part, double knot the thread. Alright, and here we go. And you're finished. Your scarf looks like this.
Super cute. Super cute.
Thanks.